Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, just make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi, not mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store, so let's tap on it. And recently Google Play decided to to change the location of the updates. Normally we should tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner, but as you can see, after doing that, we've got the info that your apps, games, payment methods, and so on are now here. So let's tap on the circle and enter my apps and games. And as you can see here, we've got all updates pending, and obviously you can update all of those apps just by tapping on this green button, update all, but you can update only one of them or two. All you have to do is simply find it. So let me pick the Gmail, for example, and tap on update. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list. Right now it was downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.